Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. It is currently 9:08 in the morning and I am fully glammed, fully dressed, and I am just ready for the day. I have so many errands to run today. Oh my god, what happened to my hair? I have so many things to do today, so many errands to run. So I needed to get up early, shower, do my makeup, and film this video. So today's video, obviously by the title, is going to be a what's in my bag video. So I recently got this bag. My boyfriend actually got it for me for my birthday, and I've been using it for like a week now, and I am obsessed with this bag. So I wanted to show you guys what I keep inside of it, what I take with me every day, like my everyday essentials. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into the video. So I haven't done like a what's in my like purse bag in I think like 2 years, 2.5 years. I did like a what's in my work bag like a few months back, but this is like what I keep when I'm like out, when I'm running errands, what, you know what I mean, like everyday life. So this is the bag. It's just like a basic bag, nothing like crazy, but I love it. It's from Spade, and it obviously looks like a backpack, but you can keep it like as a purse. So I like to carry it like a shoulder bag because that's just how like I'm comfortable with it. I will insert pictures for you guys so you guys can see how it looks like the way I carry it. But it does come with an extra strap because on the back you can make it into like a regular backpack, you know what I mean? These are like super in style, I feel like. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, that is perfect for every day, because the bag I was using for every day, I actually like hated it. Like I didn't love it, and it was like, I didn't hate it, but like it wasn't like my favorite. So like when I saw this, I was like, this is literally perfect for every day. So he bought it for me for my birthday. So I'm first going to tell you what the name of this bag is in case any of you are interested. I will also leave it down below. It is the mini convertible backpack, the Briar Lane Quilted Black. This is what the inside of it looks like. There's not a whole lot going on in here, but there is a few things in here that I'm just gonna share with you guys. But the first thing are these two scrunchies. I literally always have a scrunchie with me just because sometimes like my hair just gets annoying. Like today I can tell it's gonna be one of those days where it's gonna like annoy me. Like it looks really nice now, but I can just feel it in my bones and it's gonna be one of those days. So I literally always have a scrunchie with me. This one is I think a snake print. This is what it looks like, and then this is just like a basic scrunchie, pink. I get all of my scrunchies from Primark. If you guys have a Primark near you, go there. They literally have the best like hair accessories, if you will. I don't really know what to call them, like hair clips, scrunchies, ponytails, like everything. I get all of my stuff from there because it's so cheap and you get so much of it. If you guys want, I will do a video on like all of my hair stuff that I get from Primark because it's like $2 and you get like 9 ponytails and you get like 10 clips, so it's like insane. So if you guys want, I will do a video for you on that. So up next are my sunglasses. These are from Dime Optics. I was gonna say Dime Cosmetics, but these are from Dime Optics. This is their collab with Nicole Guerrero. That's why they're in here, because these are like brand new, so I wanted to get my use out of them. I love Nicole Guerrero. She is literally one of my favorite YouTubers. I feel like she's just like everybody's like best friend. Like I don't know, there's just something about her that like I gravitate towards, and she's just like, feel like, I don't know, like I can relate to her in certain ways. I don't know. But these are I forgot what they're called. I don't even know if they have a name. Do they have a name? I don't. Oh, Feeling Catty. So these are the black ones. She came out with 4 different ones. She came out with these ones, and then these ones in white, and then like 2 metal frame ones. But I saw these and I was like, I need these. These are like kind of big for my face, but I'm really not mad about it because it's kind of just like, oh, don't look at me, like I don't know who you are, like type thing. I just really vibe with them. I love that you can see the ring light in that. But yeah, no, I really love these, and they're super lightweight. Like they're not heavy. You know how sunglasses like this can be really, really heavy on your face? These are not, and I just saw them and I was like, yes, like I need to have those. I literally have the exact pair, a little bit smaller, from Amazon, but I didn't even care. I was like, I have to support my girl, like I need to get these, and they were only like $35. They weren't even that expensive, so loving them. And I keep them in the case because when I opened the box, the little care card was like, keep me in my case if you're not using me. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep them in their case because I don't want anything to happen to them. So up next, ooh, okay, so I have a clear gloss in here. I always just have a clear gloss just in case, you know, I'm feeling like glossy. So I have one from Kylie. This is just a regular clear one in the shade Crystal. Just your basic gloss, nothing really special about it. I just keep it in here just in case. You never know when you're gonna need a gloss. Sticking with lip care, I have a Aquaphor in here. You guys, I legit have Aquaphor in like every single one of my purses, like in my car, in my pool bag. Like I literally have an Aquaphor. I just go around my house and I find them everywhere because I literally have one in every single purse. I always say this, but I have super sensitive lips, so like if the weather is too dry or if I'm wearing a mask, or certain things will really make them really dry, so I always have to have Aquaphor with me because it's the only lip, whatever, I was gonna say lip balm. It is a lip balm, right? I guess. The only lip balm that actually doesn't irritate my lips and actually helps like keep the dryness at bay. So I always have Aquaphor with me. So up next is another lip product. This is my favorite lipstick of all time. It's always in, I have like 2 of them, and I have one in my like travel makeup bag, and then I have one in my purses. I always just have it with me. This is from Sephora. This is their matte number 7 Love. This is like a $6-7 lipstick from Sephora, and it's legit been my favorite for like over a year now. It's not everybody's shade, but for me, it is just like my go-to. It is like a brownie, like nude gray type of vibe, and I just love it. It goes with every single makeup look, whether you're doing like a natural one or you want to be glam, and it pairs so well with lip liners and lip glosses, and just, it's great. So I highly recommend this color, or just check out their line of lipsticks because they're affordable, and that one is just like perfection. Up next is my wallet. This is the Louis Vuitton zippy coin purse. I don't always have this with me. I only have it with me if I'm not driving, because on my keys I have the keychain, like the Louis Vuitton keychain, and I just keep all of my cards in there. But like if I know that I'm going to be with my boyfriend and he's going to be driving, I just switch everything to my wallet and just carry my wallet with me because I don't need to take my keys with me everywhere. So yeah, I just have my Louis Vuitton wallet in here. Up next is an obvious one. This is probably in everybody's purse because we are still Corona, so we still have to wear these. This is my mask. I got mine from Kitsch. I think you spelled the brand Kitsch. Actually, I didn't get it from Kitsch. It's by the brand Kitsch, but I got it from Ulta. I got like 3 of them for like 12 bucks. My sister actually like hijacked one of them, and I was like, wait, we were at the airport, and I was like, is that the only mask that you have with you? She was like, yeah, I left my other ones at your house. And I was like, you totally just jacked one of my brand new masks, but whatever, it's fine. So I have been using this one, and these are really comfortable. They're super breathable, they're washable, which is great. So I just wash them like every other day, and yeah, I just have this in my bag because obviously we need to have a mask with us at all times. So up next is a hair clip. This is more of like a hair barrette, I think. This is what it looks like. I got mine off Amazon. I got like a bunch of them like over a year ago, and they are such good quality. I love them. They're super sturdy, and I use them constantly, and I love them because you can just like throw it in your hair if your hair is bothering you, and like your hair looks cute and you have a cute clip in your hair. You don't kind of look like, I don't know, you know how like some clips are kind of ugly? I really love these. I will try to find them and link them down below for you guys if you guys are interested. This is just like the clear white color, but it comes in like so many different colors, shapes, and stuff, so I will try to find them and link them down below for you. Up next is another hair clip. This is actually another one from Primark. I'm telling you guys, Primark is where it's at. So this is just like a little clip. I love this for like the same thing if you want to just kind of like pin your bangs back or whatever. I mean, obviously do it a little bit more neater than that, but I love them because they're so small, but they're like those clips that are really small, but they're super strong, you know what I mean? Like the ones that you know will like hold your hair back. So I love having just hair stuff with me because I feel like I said before, my hair just annoys me a lot of the time, so I like to just throw it up in a ponytail or throw it up in a clip and be good to go. Up next, I actually don't realize that I use these as much as I do, or that I need them as much as I do. These are my AirPods. Oh my god, what's happened? These are my AirPods. I got this case off of Amazon about a year ago. You can get them pretty much anywhere. I don't really see them on Amazon anymore, but I know that you can get them on Etsy. Yeah, I love my AirPods. I always say, oh, I don't use my AirPods that much, but then like the past like week and a half, 2 weeks, I've been using them like non-stop, and I'm like, whoa, like I really need these in my life because they're just so convenient to throw in your ear, especially if you're out shopping and you need to talk to somebody or you want to kind of listen to music, be in your zone. Love these. Okay, so up next is a perfume. This one I actually recently just got. This is Kat Von D's perfume in the scent Saint. This is the little travel one. I say this all the time, but I literally love to smell good. I always have like a body spray or a perfume or something with me just to keep me smelling good, because it's just my pet peeve to not smell good. Like, I hate people that don't like take pride in how they smell, you know what I mean? That's just like my thing. I got this at Marshall's like about 2 weeks ago, and I've never smelled this perfume before, and I was in Marshall's and I saw it and I was like, ooh, let me smell it. And you guys, this smells amazing. By the way, it's one of those spray travel bottles, which I really, really appreciate, because I feel like rollerballs don't do the job. I feel like if you're going to have a travel size like this, it needs to be a spray. Like, I don't think rollerballs do it. Like, I'm not into rollerballs, but I am into travel sprays. And this was like $3 at Marshall's. I got one for me, I got one for my sister, and then I also got like the big size for me, because I was like, I'm not missing out on this perfume. Because if you go on Sephora's website, it's sold out, and I'm pretty sure it's been sold out for months at this point. I don't think they're restocking it. So if you have a Marshall's near you, run there, grab this, check it out. It is like my favorite perfume at the moment, and I just had to throw it in my bag just in case you need to, you know, freshen up. That one is real good. Okay, so we're finally at the last thing. So I always have one of these with me no matter what, whether it's Corona, not Corona, I always have a hand sanitizer with me. This is from Bath & Body Works. This is in the scent 1000 Wishes, you guys. This is my favorite hand sanitizer ever, this scent. Actually, this one and then another scent, Pumpkin Cupcake for the fall is like another one of my favorites, but right now, this is what's in my bag, and you guys, it's such an amazing smell. And it has like little glitter in it, so when you put it on your hands, like you get like a little glittery effect. But yeah, I always have hand sanitizer with me because you never know. You need to, you know, sanitize your hands or whatever, so I always have one with me. And then of course, I do always keep my phone with me. I do have the iPhone XS Max, and I do use the battery case most of the time because I'm always on my phone. I'm always doing something, so I always need to make sure my phone is charged and ready to go. But yeah, that does fit in my bag along with everything else. So yeah, so that is everything that I keep in this bag. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. These are like one of my favorite videos to film and one of my favorite videos to watch, just because it's so interesting to see what everybody keeps in their bag. And I feel like we're just so nosy. Like, I feel like we always want to know, like, oh, what's in your bag? What do you have in your bag? Like, what do you carry? You know what I mean? So I really love filming these videos, and I love watching them. So let me know down below what you guys keep in your bags. And yeah, so as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!